Today the sky is cloudy. Today it smells like a storm. Today is a day to wipe the sleep from your eyes and see without filters. Power without compassion is corruption. An uncomfortable truth that throbs in every corner. We were told from childhood, pay attention, obey, learn. But always from a leadership that wanted us inactive. They covered us in good rules, sealed by their administration, and you accepted without a sound, without thought, without a voice. They taught you not to think, to walk looking at the ground, not to turn toward the past without reflection, without mourning. They told you that you were free, with rights and obligations, simply by virtue of being born, but they conceal their intentions because they aim far towards the summit of control. You towards a slow submission that tightens and drains the color. But like a pressure cooker, when you act without reason, the steam becomes a scream and bursts the prison. That explosion cleans away the grease, uncovers all vision, and the truth returns to the body like an expanding lightning bolt. Open your eyes, wake up, be more critical, and take action. Open your eyes, wake up, be more critical, and take action. For a movement is a wave, an evolving swell that grows and grows without restraint, that is born from your decision. Remove the blindfold, break the inner murmur. Remember that your strength doesn't reside in any government. Power that doesn't listen rots in its ambition. But awakened people ignite another dimension. This is the final scream, but not the end of the scream. Deliberate your gaze, free yourself from the myth. Grow to your fullest potential, grow to your fullest potential, infinitely